My name is Bruce Wirt, Channel Chief here at Telesystem, and this is, I think, one of the most important events of the year for us. This is where you get agents from all over the country that come together in Las Vegas to meet with the carriers they're dealing with or the master agents that they're selling through, and it gives us the opportunity to connect with people that we don't get to see and talk to every day. Especially for Warren and myself, the regional channel managers are out in the field, they're recruiting partners, they're presenting to partners, and we don't necessarily get to connect with those partners every day. So to bring them out here and bring them all into one place and have productive meetings, I think this is such an important thing for us, and it gets us to build relationships. This business is all about partnerships. So whether it's the partnership between a master agent and a selling partner, or between a provider like ourselves and the partner or the master agents, it's all about partnerships and bringing people together. So I think that this event out here today and this week allows us to glue together those partnerships and solidify our place in their portfolio of providers. SD-WAN it's not only a buzzword, but it's actually changing the industry in terms of how people are putting together applications. It's replacing MPLS in a lot of conversations. So our messaging with security layered into our SD-WAN product is really creating waves, and it's drawing people to us, and it's just incredibly exciting. Being in the industry for almost 20 years now, being in the channel for most of that time period, I've never felt the wave of momentum that Telesystem has going on right now, and it's incredibly exciting to be a part of.
The reason we are excited to get together with Telesystem is we had a real focus on security. Every conversation about technology today has some component of security along with it. And in working with Telesystem, what we found is a great partner that can work with us on those conversations so that our engineering team, regardless of what type of opportunity they're working, can have that security conversation and involve Telesystem in it. You know, as time goes on, over the next year and a half, we're going to continue to see partners selling not just the networks and the SD-WAN systems and the applications they're used to selling, but they're going to go beyond that and selling more complete solutions to their customers. What that means is they're going to have to leverage partners around them. That means Telarus's resources, that means the resources at Telesystem, the products and services that are brought together so it's all bundled together into a complete solution for an end user customer.
Well, Versa SD-WAN solution is a very comprehensive solution for software-defined networking. Principally, it gives our partners to offer multi-tiered solution whereby they can not only offer SD-WAN, but even software-defined security, as well as just plain old routing. So we provide solutions which go all the way from connectivity to security. Well, Telesystem is one of our customers, is an MSP which has deployed our technology, and it has been tremendously successful attracting customers with our solution. Not only that, they have not only deployed just portions of our technology, but they're offering software-defined WAN, software-defined security, and as well as other connectivity options like Wi-Fi, LTE. So clearly, Telesystem has done a great job in understanding the power of our technology and then unfolding it to the customers. Our job is to essentially bring more simplicity into the managed service provider world, as well as more automation in terms of machine learning and AI component, so that really the amount of human element going into managing the branch becomes much less. You know, in choosing Versa Networks, Telesystem has chosen the right partner to grow with, to grow their revenue, and to attract additional customers, which range from just plain old connectivity solution to security solution.
So in summary, what we've done is we've taken a holistic approach to SD-WAN, as we feel it's a perfect complement to our product offering. and in the specific sense of the security play. So whether we're talking in terms of the channel relationships that we have and selling through our agency partners, we're going direct to our end users. We do so with all the confidence in the world that we have selected the right partner to deploy this technology. So from a security standpoint, some of you may be familiar with our secure internet as a service, and basically what we have is an always-on, ingress-enabled DDoS mitigation consideration. So whereas some carriers will take it upon themselves to proxy ARP the traffic and move that between various POPs, ours is always in line, and again, it's across the country. So we have that capability, whether it be in our Philadelphia office, Toledo, Mississippi, Denver, etc. We localize that experience for the customer, and again, we provide that security and threat mitigation. So now taking that logic a step further, we want to take that consideration out to the edge for the customer. So in addition to what we do at our core, we've partnered with the folks at Versa to bring that further enhancement to the customer experience and a security consideration. So what we have equipped the customer with in this case is multiple WAN links to the edge, so whereby they can have 2, 3 different considerations. That could be a broadband connection, Ethernet, it could be an LTE connection for that matter. But ultimately, we are defining this in the sense of one uniform box at the edge for the customer. The security consideration, it's firewall, it's threat mitigation, it's application layer QoS, it's consideration on the voice side as well. So should the customer lose their primary link, that voice call continues without a glitch. And that's just something we feel from a user experience is basically first and foremost. Being always on, having that contiguous element in today's transactional environments. In particular, we're seeing a lot of success in the retail space. So with that said, we made an announcement last year, our press release in September of 2017, announcing the partnership with Versa. We've taken a considerable amount of time to vet this product out, and we've received a tremendous amount of support from Versa to make this happen. Ultimately, we feel that not only have we made the right choice, but we have found a partner that's going to strengthen and help us build our brand and our organization across the country. So we want to thank Versa Networks for the time, for the effort, and the resources allocated, and we're very, very excited about what the future holds.